In today's video, we are going to look on how to work with Microsoft formatting documents in the Google environment. So let's take, for instance, this email where I can see I do have an attached file that is in the Microsoft formatting. How will I be able to work in the Google format? For this, first and foremost, I will click on the attachment, and from there, I will have to open it with Google Docs. Don't worry, whenever you click on Open with Google Docs, it will keep the Microsoft Word formatting. Allow me to show you. So here, for instance, I have clicked on Open with Google Docs, and we are allowing the document to be opened in the Google Docs environment, maintaining its Microsoft Word formatting. How do I know that it is like that? Fairly simple. I can see that I have this little symbol that when I go over it, it says Microsoft Word format. I do have a bit of the best of both worlds where I can see some of the Google features with the Microsoft features. For instance, I am able to see any version of a history that has been done in the document directly. At the same time, I am very much able to share the document with the sharing permissions of Google, and I'm able to move this document left and right since it is automatically created in my drive in Google Drive. That being said, I do have also the Microsoft approach where if I click on File, I can simultaneously email it directly by replying with the file in which I'm working or by opening the original message. If not, I can also email the new version of the document as the file. That being said, one of the things is there's a lot of versioning that can be caused and created by all this messaging. Hence, how can I just make sure that I have one last version of a document? For that, I will hop over to my drive and demonstrate here how one can do this. Here, for instance, I have the document that I have just recently created, and I want to maintain all the versions into one single version. For this, what I will do, I will click right on the version and go to Manage Versions. On here, I have a couple of things that I can do. First and foremost, I'm able to upload new versions by clicking on Upload New Versions. Second of all, I can go into an ulterior version or my current version, and I can click on the three dots, and from there I can either delete, keep forever, or I can download it. Very important to remember and understand that if I have an older version that is kept after 30 days, it will be deleted. Or if I have over 100 versioning 101 will also be deleted. Hence, very important to always keep as little amount of versions as possible and at the same time to keep the most recent one or to make sure that in the the more actions that you keep it forever. Whenever you've done this, you can close it and you will gather all the same different versionings into a single document. That being said, there is an extra step that one may be wondering. How can I convert a Microsoft formatting document into a Google Docs? For that, I will come into File and I will automatically have the Save as Google Docs. When I click on it, it will create a new version of the document. This time, that being said, it will be in the Google environment. How do I know that this is now on the Google environment instead of the Microsoft environment? Fairly simple. We will notice that at the top, I no longer have the symbol DOCX as I have here. And that is how you're able to work on the Microsoft environment, maintaining the Microsoft environment on the Google environment. Thank you very much. Have a good day.